never seen this level of incompetence. This is the 10th time thieves are coming to this apartment to rob. Huh?
Oh God, they tell you truth. Nobody come here. No thief come for here. Shame no be here a day. A day here stand gidigba for here. No thief pass for here.
Okay.
I dey tell you something. Believe me, no thief come here.
Okay. So the eyewitnesses and CCTV are lying, right? You were seated here sleeping like a big fool.
Oh God, I dey tell you the fact. No thief come here. Okay, you know what? Make you no be say me I dey drag with my oga. Make you no be say you talk, I talk. No problems. Anytime wey thief come here, if they come here again, I go catch them. Oh. I go hold them for belts like this. I go hold them for you till you come. You go use your eyes see am. Make you no be say me and you just go inside, no problem. But just leave am. But me sure, I know say no thief come for here. But no wahala. Next time they come. Maybe today or even tomorrow. They go come again. Shall not be me and you. They go come. And you go see say, I go catch them for here. With hand though. No wahala. Just wear your suit, go inside.
You're just a big fool. A big fool.
Okay, I don't understand. Wetin gonna bring this one now? Wetin gonna bring this one now? Shey me, I don't tell you say if thief come, I go catch them. Why you can't dey insult me now? You know they make sense now. Make we dey respect is a how they carry talk am. Respect is say may we leave that one sha. But still me say if you respect me, I go respect you. Eh? You know go well now.
Wait. Are you talking to me like that? Are you talking? Listen to me. You're fired. Now get yourself out of this vicinity now.
Okay, wetin be this side? Because I dey follow you talk. Wetin dey happen for yourself? Wetin dey happen for here? You give me security work. You no give me gun. You no even give me ordinary battery where I go where I go carry the pursue criminal. Even touch, you no give me. You dey expect make I use my hand dey catch thief. Because say my name na Job or na Job senior me. Make I come die like chicken for here. You know what I'm saying? If you come person security work, you go give me wetin you go use dey follow they do the work. Okay. You call me on fire. You know what? I don't even sack myself before you sack me.
Okay.
Wetin be this? You go just come here, wear suit up and down, they command me. You know what I'm saying? You supposed to give me wetin I go use to do the work. You're fired now, waiting. No one, me say I don't fire myself. I know they do again. And they tell you say no criminal come for here. No criminal come for here. You dey trust CCTV and neighbors. Oh yeah, no wahala, make CCTV do the work. CCTV they breathe. Person when they breathe, they tell you say na me dey here. Say no criminal pass. They tell me say CCTV. Go call a man do the work. Me I don't do the work finish.
Wake up! Come on, wake up! The lazy thing.
What's with that now?
I say wake up, my friend. What do you?
Mama, wait now. Let's know if you get peace of mind for this house. Wait now.
See, lazy bones. You won't get peace of mind, Shebi. You won't get peace of mind. They sleep at this time. Okocha, you don't get shame.
Why will we sleep? Which one be at this time? Person no sleep. I don't like this kind of thing now. Small thing, my mind don't fly out. You know, say this thing when the person feel from there they go. You don't know. Person they sleep, they eat and like this. I know they like that kind of thing now.
See your mouth. You don't sleep. You don't get shame at all. Your mates they outside, they hustle. You dey here, they sleep at this time. Okocha, I was at your workplace today and I decided to check up on you, only to be told that you are fired. What again? What thing happen?
Which one be what happen? What happen? You say they don't fire me now. Say you go there, they don't tell you they don't fire me. That be what happen.
Okocha, why are you doing this to me? What did I do you?
You say I do you anything. Say they don't fire me, say what I do you. I mean fire myself. Now they fire me now.
What did you do for them to fire you?
I don't do anything. They just say make I be good, say they don't fire me.
The one job you were able to get in the last 5 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. You just made it a point of duty for them to just fire you. How could you be sleeping on duty? How?
Oh, so you know the reason they fire me, see they ask me. Sleep hungry me, I sleep now. Let me go create sleep. You know they say when you don't get enough sleep, you will get high blood pressure. Sleep hungry me, I sleep. They begin the parasite make I dey go. Like say person when get there, no they sleep. They sleep now.
Sleep hungry you. You just start to dey sleep. Okocha, I can't continue like this anymore. Honestly, I can't. My mates are there enjoying the fruits of their labor. You, I will feed you, you will sleep anyhow. I can't continue like this anymore. You will not kill me. I did not kill my mother. I did not kill any of my parents. I can't do this anymore. Look at how my mates are enjoying. I'm here suffering and you're eating my food. You are sleeping anyhow. I can't take it anymore. I don't know where you get the joy or what makes you so comfortable. How you dey sleep like moron. Like say tomorrow no day. I'm not fit. Oh, what I don't fit again.
There's no sleep. Because Job na my neighbor. Even say na my papa senior Job.
Understand this guy? Seriously speaking, I don't even understand what's happening anymore. What is really happening? Is it that I have failed as a mother in bringing this boy up because he's so lazy and nonchalant? Oh, my village people have succeeded. Oh, what have I done to deserve this? So after lazing and sleeping around all day, he now wants me to feed him with my food that I used my hard-earned money to cook. At his age, my God. And if I don't give him food now, I'll be called a bad person. That's
I'm not
your
eating
food.
now.
You see that one come me?
It means I don't want to eat. I don't feel like eating.
Okocha, you know one chop hunger. You mean say make I carry my food, may I dey go? Okoya? Okocha? Okocha?
Mama leave me now. I say I know they eat. Make you carry your food, they go.
May I carry my food, dey go? Abi?
I want you to talk with that.
Okocha, you mean I should go with my food? Oh? If you think say I go beg you, make you chop, na lie. Hunger go finish you.
Wait though. This woman don't finish the food I've been waiting. Which kind of pride it is? I for collect this food. Bro. She tell me this thing. I for just collect the food now. Eh? Hi. Hi. Shit, my own don't be. Oh. Eh? And Gary no even day. No be Gary no even day to soak. Eh? Hi. Now I'm done finish. Pure water doing so. Drink water, carry fill my belly before you go. So that's making it the 72 time. 72 times while I'm young. Even with all the water I don't drink. But we move. I'm gonna they keep person. They keep person. After all, people were in the desert, they don't even see water drink. May I see water drink? Man shall not die by food alone. How they take talker?
Good morning.
My good morning.
Good morning now.
How was your night?
Fine. Why do you look like you're about to faint?
I fainted already.
I thought you didn't want to eat last night. This is very sweet.
Let's leave what happened last night to go.
Hey!
Let me. You
boil hot
water so you look at that.
For what now? You don't want to eat my food.
It was last night. I told you I don't. Let me boil water.
You don't need. I just want to cook this and put in the fridge. So later on. Nah.
I'm at the fridge. You explode. Let's boil water now.
See the way you just ate the food as if it was running.
I don't understand. I nearly died.
Are you not the one that said you lost your appetite? Oh, you were expecting me to come and pet you, Abby?
Hi. Mama. I saw one way. But you see this thing you did there? It's not the way to do things so. I be your only child. Your only son. No be so they do so. No because I say I know they eat. You go just leave me like that, go sleep. At least you suppose pet me small now. You suppose pet me, make I for eat. Oko, oh yeah, come. Oko, come. No be you go just because I say you just waka go like that. Wetin my eyes see for dream yesterday. No be small thing o. Na so I drink carry water full my belly like GP tank. Na so beats be they beat me for dream yesterday.
They never start to beat you.
Mama, I know they talk like no be the good thing o. No be good thing to do.
Oh yeah, now you for come suck breast now. As it be Oku, baby now. Come suck breast.
No be say you just come out, go cover the food for me. At least if I vex finish, I go come eat the food. You still go kitchen, finish the whole food, no food remain for there. I just say na prank o. Say later I go see the food somewhere. For where? I no see any food yesterday. Mama, no be so. Me, I no go do that kind of thing. No. I no go do that kind of thing.
My friend, as you don't finish now, go inside that place, go bath, come out, go look for work. You don't see say things they very hard these days. If you don't look for work, you see this one where you do, this one around one. You never even start.
Mama,
you go starve well for this.
Make my food digest first.
Make it digest. Now you know.
Me, I don't try.
You be big gates now.
Make job say look for me. Not every time you dey look for job. You still follow me reach house. You still follow me reach house.
Give me my money.
Madam.
Give me my money, sister. Because give me my money.
Madam,
you come my shop, come pack all my goods for inside shop. Sister, how many days ago you no one give me money?
No be grad. They use collect money.
Give me my money because you make go.
Madam, you go naked me. You go naked me. Calm down. Chena, I go pay.
If you know what is good for you, find my money for me. Give me my money. Give me my money, Okocha. Don't be open shop for me.
Madam, calm down. I go give you the money. No be grad.
Go give me the money. I beg, give me money. She not even do your pocket. See, let me tell you, if you don't give me that my money tomorrow, I go still come back. Wow.
That's so crazy start so. We a mad person go dey live for compound. We no go know say na mad person. Small time you go bite person Adam's apple. And to find secure people o. Make you just change this one because this one obvious say you don dey mad. Wetin dey make you dey laugh? Wetin dey funny now?
You don't reach make I laugh. You don't reach.
I see the sweet us. He dey pain them. I see they pain them. He dey sweet us.
You know say if you dey mind your marriage, if you dey mind your marriage, you dey mind your marriage as you dey mind person business. Your husband no for dey carry all these chewing gum girls dey come. Your husband no for dey carry all these chewing gum girls. You dey say you dey focus on your marriage.
Who tell you?
You wan hear am from my mouth?
Who tell you?
Sister Flococu's Erus for your leg.
Nah, lie. Woo, sure.
Syphilis, na him dey sing like this.
Odimgbe, wife you no kukuma marry, pikin you no kukuma get. Rubbish. You forgot, come follow me talk, speak English now. As you go school, now you go Cambridge. Onyara. But wait though. Eh? So this my husband dey cheat on me. Hey! Wala. This house, you no go contain me now. Make him go come meet me for here. I dey at Tanda. You go that place where they go come meet me for this house. You go explain wetin that they give her for outside when me I no fit give am. Go see. But you see you don't know go fire you for that house. Stupid man. For this house I go show you Pepe. I go show you. Don't worry, na me and you. Nam.
Welcome.
Oh, Nam. Chai. You must be very tired.
Well, be small thing o. No be small thing I see today. I waka the whole Lagos. I go Alaba International. Go trade fair. I find work so they even they come they suspect me as I dey patrol for the market like say I be informant. I just come out everywhere, nowhere where I no go today.
No. Work no easy now. Well,
no easy.
Thank God say you don't find. So when you dey start now?
Find wetin? Mama, you funny. I don't find anything, no.
Eh?
I don't find anything at all. Nothing come out.
Now you can't sit down here, they sleep like saying that you get the whole one company. I don't understand.
Mama, which kind of talk with that? I don't understand. So make I no sleep. You don't just say I waka everywhere. Make I no rest. I don't really get what you they tell me.
Oh, Okocha. So you know get work. You just come here, sit down, they sleep like say you get one company, one place. Okocha, I don't know what to do with you.
Feel like my mama be this. I be mistake this.
Hi, you know where I don't reach today? I go my 12th. I can't carry my goods. Go inside that my shop. Sit down there, sell. Come here, I still they stand. Now they tell me say you tired. When you don't get any work.
Mama, waiting me there. When I come back, I stand. I stand for some time, come sit down.
Oh.
You just come in, you still stand. Very soon you go there as I did. No, they disturb you, no disturb you. I try. You suppose help me say you do where my pikin. Tomorrow we'll go again. That's what you suppose tell me. You know, go inside, go rest. Every time you talk, you go dey talk. Person wey go all these places where you talk, if you really go up, you go just go inside quietly, find where sleep. This thing be this. They make me dey doubt my
I don't tire
death.
for this speaking. I don't even know what thing I go do with that. Thank God.
I dey hungry well as I dey here like this. I forget to tell you say I still go do mortar. Everything happen today.
See him mouth like he do mortar. You can't chop now. Can't chop the food. Yeah, picky. Oh, God, I'm tired.
Come. You dey mad?
Wait, how I want to know say you dey come? I see you now pour you the water. You know say you like trouble for this compound. You know.
So this infection where your husband give you don't block your eyes, abi? So even say you don't see me before you pour the water. As you pour the water, you don't know the
Wahala. You this smelling poor wretched bachelor. So of all the people for this compound, I go tell sorry now you. You know rich.
You know look where you get to say you be woman.
What do you want to do?
Look where you get say you be woman.
Okay, they show me say they won't go for interview. Who go employ you? I look you from head to toe. Which person go look you finish carrying eyeglass wear and like this shining tutu eye? Koro. He say you look you finish with this beer wey be like that bush where they go find lion and tiger. He go say carry work he give you. The person they craze. If they craze, he go look at you and see your beer. He be like bush where they find lion, leopard. You know those kind bush where all those big hunter they enter. Who go employ you? See your hair for head.
Well,
you know people shave.
If I slap you in purple green, you go. If I purple green, you go turn. Make I don't leave you because I don't say my intention either.
Beat me, make I see you.
If I give you flying nod, you go really know yourself.
Beat me. Make my husband come and confess you now. What the shame? Sassy be. Rubbish, yeah, they smell. Opo.
See as you go, please they carry you, they go.
Thank you, leave am.
Ooh,
shame on you. Shame on you. Ooh, let me do you.
I go feel where everything dey wet now. I go fit. Nothing dey clean for here. Nothing dey clean. Tomorrow, me I go take time, tidy, go tomorrow. It'll be my fault. At least not me say my neighbor pour me water. I'll just rest first. Tomorrow, go again.
this you? Oh my God, Mama!
How are you, my daughter?
Mama!
How are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
I'm sorry. Do I know you?
Mama, I'm Anna, Okocha's friend in 100 level. Mama!
Anna!
Such a long time! Mama!
Anna, you have grown to be a beautiful.
Thank you, Mama.
Oh, how are you?
I'm fine, Mama. Mama, it's such a very long time.
Yes, it has been long.
What are you doing here?
I want to, get a taxi or Okada, but I cannot find. But seriously, wow. So how have you been?
Mama, I've been fine.
Okay.
I traveled to the States. I just got back now.
No wonder we have not seen you for a long time.
Yes, Mama.
Wow, life has been good.
Thank you, Mama. We thank God.
Hey.
Mama, I'm happy to see you.
I'm the one that is happier to see
Mama! Mama, so how is Okocha doing?
Okocha is fine. He's fine.
Okay.
Hey.
So, Mama, you going home now or you're going somewhere?
No, I'm going home.
Mama, let's go. Let me take you home.
You want to take me home?
Yes, that's my car.
Is that your car?
Yes, Mama. Mama, let's go. Let's go, Ma.
You're welcome to my small house.
Mama, your house is not small. It's really beautiful.
Thank you. Please sit
Oh,
down.
thank you, Mama.
You have grown to be a very beautiful woman.
Thank you, Mama. And you're not looking bad yourself, Mama. I mean, you're aging gracefully.
Oh, please, don't flatter me.
No, Mama, I'm not. I am not, Mama. Honestly, you're looking good yourself.
Well, we thank God.
Thank God.
So, my dear, how are your parents?
Mama, they're doing fine. My parents now lives in the States. Wow. Yes, Ma.
That's great.
Thank you, Mama.
That's nice.
So, Mama, what's up about yourself? How is life treating you? How is business? How is family? How is everything?
Well, it has been good all the way,
Thank God.
Because if I say that it has been good, then I'm lying. My dear, I have suffered.
Mama, what do you mean you've suffered? What about Okocha? Is he not there to take care of you?
Can he? Okocha has been failing all his courses. He even had to drop out of school when he was in 200 level. And me, I couldn't continue to pay for a child that doesn't want to go to school, wasting money that I don't have.
Oh, really? That's so sad to hear. So, Mama, what is he doing with his life now? Like, is he working or what is he doing?
Well, he has been job hunting for the past 5 months. He can't seem to keep a job. I've never seen a lazier person than Okocha. I haven't. I thought as he's growing older that things will get better, but it has gotten worse. All he wants to do is to sleep and eat. That's all. And the minute he can find a way to get a job, he can't seem to be awake. And of course, they will fire him. And to get another one is almost impossible. So, I don't know.
This is so sad, Mama. So sad.
Yeah.
Mama, I'm sorry.
No.
I'm sorry for everything you're going through.
No. It's not your fault. Don't be sorry. It's okay.
So, Mama, where is he now? Has he gone job hunting?
Yes, he has. But honestly, I don't think there's anything else. Okocha, you're at home.
I don't know what's in there funny. Why they laugh?
Because I'm happy to see you after such a long time.
But me, I know they're happy to see you after such a long time. What did they make you they laugh? It is say funny. Say you abandon me without any notice, nothing. No, you don't tell me nothing. You just abandon me, block me. I know if they call you. You don't tell me any of. I reach your player. I just a waka like a stupid person. Anybody who I ask you say, you know, tell you.
Okocha.
I don't understand what's in there funny.
Can you just calm down and hear me out?
Okay, talk. Make I hear.
Okay, fine. I know what I did is totally wrong, okay? But I don't know how it happened. Everything just happened so fast.
Which one be you don't know how it happened?
Okay.
You don't know how it happened.
Okay, I'm
say.
sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay, they don't engage you, Abby. Anyway, I know they're surprised because now wait till you tell me. You tell me that and say, I know they're useful. Say no be all this one night away and they get where I go use take care of you. Say no be all these things where they say you need to upgrade your life. Say you're not supposed to stay with me. No insult me that time now. And so I know they're surprised. Say you don't leave me follow man now. That now what happen? That time where me and you they plan them. They plan them slowly.
Okocha.
They plan them slowly.
Okocha, why will you say such?
Which one be why wait. I beg, you know, just they go where I don't know why you come. I don't know just why you just come. Just go to wherever you they go. I wish you the best. Say you they don't engage. I been a marry be that. Say na me do be engaged. The other one na marry. So I wish you the best. Make you just continue with your life. No, they show face for here. No, they show face for wetin I don't forget. You just come back. I beg. You don't see me now. You don't see where I dey, Abi. And I hear I dey. No leave, no transfer. God know they sleep.
I'm sorry.
I beg. I take God beg. You know they come here. I beg. I wish you the best. Make you know they come here. They bother my life. I don't tell you.
Okocha.
I don't they know what they
Okocha.
really they do. Mama, why they look me like that now?
Okocha, what do you want to do with your life?
Ha!
You are 32 years old. You're a man. You're not a child anymore. Look at Anna that you went to school with. Immediately she entered, she got a scholarship and left abroad. Now she's back and she came and met you the same way she left you.
So, Mama, this is the way they tell me now. I make I kill myself.
Who's saying you should kill yourself?
Because I don't understand. They tell me Anna came back and met me. Make I kill myself. Mama, what you gonna say? Everybody destiny no be the same. Oh. Everybody destiny no be the same for this life. Some people, God destined them say that when they reach 60 years, they go make money.
Hey.
Some people now when they reach 40. Some people now when they reach 50. Some people now when some people go still make the money, still die. What matters is life. You get some people will be like you when they find pikin. They no see pikin to born. You, God give you me. Every time you wake up now today compare me with person. You know make sense now. No be person get pikin where they mad inside market. No be person pikin be that.
Hey.
Every time you go they compare me, say this one happen, this one happen, this one happen. Leave me. When God destines I go make money. I go make the money. I go still surprise you. At this I dey do my best.
Okocha, you are lazy. You are extremely lazy. Maybe if you put in the work a little more, you will be successful. When would I enjoy the fruit of my labor? Tell me!
Your fruit of labor will come.
Okay, when I'm old and rickety, or maybe never. Okocha, make me proud.
Every time you go tell me Anna. Me and Anna are the same. Me and Anna are the same.
Hey.
Anna get big nyash. Person wey see and go like to dash her money. Me, I don't see any this thing like that. You know, go they compare woman and man. Come be Anna. Eh? You know, go they compare me like that. It don't make sense. I'm doing my best. I dey do my best at least. I dey try.
Where? How? To sleep. Only to sleep, wake up and go and play bets and come back. Okocha, you're a disgrace. Make me proud like other mothers.
Mama, make I chop first. Now person wey chop, they make person proud.
You are a disgrace. Put in the work and be successful. Stop bringing shame to this family. Eat that is for you. Oh. No. How was your night?
So me, I no sleep. Oh.
Hey, what happened?
I just they think about my life because me I don't understand what's in the happen again. You get some kind of things where I suppose don't they do by now, why I know they do. So the thing don't they bother me, don't they bother me. Yeah, don't they bother me.
So what will be your plan now?
My plan is say I won't come out from this country sharply. Okay. I won't go Washington DC. For America.
Okay.
Nothing they happen for a year again. I go hustle. You got as I hustle, I go carry you come there.
It good. I like this one. Okay. So how you want to take do am now?
How did they take do am now? Na money that they use go Washington DC.
Yes, now I know.
So na money where we go use start this thing so that you go bring money make I start am immediately. Make I they find something.
Who bring money? I don't understand.
Mama, stop this thing now. You know they know when person see you. I even say they find something. Now you now, make you bring money, make we know as we go carry do am. I know say you get some kind of money where they get, we tie. Make you go lose all of them. Make we combine and use start to process them. Make I come out from here.
You know, Okocha, sometimes I go think say you get something for here, you won't use your brain. And I go come get one kind of hope. But I don't say don't worry, when we talk, after we will talk.
Mama,
you ready?
They insult me. You say when are they ready? You say what happen?
I dey pray. After, maybe you come meet me when you don't ready to talk.
Okocha. When I dey grow where you tell me my name Okocha, I just say me I go be Okocha where they play ball.
Mama, honestly, I'm sorry I'm laughing, but this is so funny.
Okocha just wants to kill me because, you know, when he told me that he came up with a plan, I was very happy. Only for me to realize that he actually wants me to sponsor him to US. When we can barely eat at home. You know, sometimes I wonder if that boy I gave birth to him with brain.
Mama, you know what? You don't have to worry, okay? Everything will be fine.
When, Anna? Anna, when? When I'm dead?
God forbid, Mama.
Because he's not even doing anything about it. All I want him to do is to stand as a man. He's not getting any younger.
I know, Mama, I understand your point. Okay. Mama, do you know I can help him to travel to the States? Yes, I can. The problem here is, Mama, he has to sit to some exam.
Then there's no hope. Okocha is not book smart. And I'm tired.
No, Mama, please don't be.
I'm tired.
Mama, just calm down. Just calm down. Everything will be fine. Okay, I can assure you that. So, where is he right now?
Where else would he be? I'm sure he's in the house sleeping.
Okocha. Okay, Mama, you know what? Just calm down, relax. Everything will be fine. Let me just go to the house and speak with him, okay? Just relax.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Mama.
A lot. Thank you.
It's okay. Oh yeah, now smile for me.
Smile when you have a song like
Mama,
Okocha.
smile for me now. Okocha. Okocha, are you in there? Okocha.
No be Anna be that. You can say this girl know the hear word. Be like say she know the hear word, abi. I don't want you make you know they come here again.
Okay, I beg, leave that talk. Come sit down.
No, they command me from my house. What do you mean that? So I don't want you make you know they come here.
In your house? Oh, you mean your mom's house?
Okay, you come sit down here to insult me, abi?
Okay, I beg, I not come here for plenty talk. Come sit down, let's talk.
Talk wetin you want talk. Talk wetin you want talk. May I just do like say I dey hear you. Just talk that thing wey you want talk.
You know what be your problem? When time reach, make you shine your eye. You know they shine your eye. Okay, I beg, come sit down, let's talk.
E be like say you know the hear word. I say make you talk wetin you want talk. I dey use style dey hear you.
You see this help where I won't help you. I know they do it because of you. I dey pity your poor mother.
On your mercy, why? Better person.
Anyways, I heard that you want to travel to the US.
It's my mama will ever keep secrets. See me this.
Okocha, tell me, what is there to be kept as a secret? Am I a stranger to you?
Better stranger. You be stranger die, yo. You not supposed to know anything will concern me. And even vex for my mama like this. What you gonna bring that leg to call the share my secret give you? I was waiting now.
Okocha, I pity your mother. I pity your poor mother. Anyways, I could have loved to help you to travel to the US.
No problems.
But you know, you have to go for an interview. And everyone knows that you are not book smart. So how will you do that?
You don't see you will be book smart. You don't see you now will be book smart now.
Okocha, I know they insult you now.
I don't
everyone
tell you if you want to
knows.
insult me, no they go through corners. Just don't go straight to the point.
Okocha, everyone knows that you are not book smart now. Be serious for once. I'm not insulting you. Anyways, I would like to help you. I have a friend in the US that will be having a painting gallery exhibition in the next 3 weeks. So I'm trying to talk to her to add yours to our collection. That's if you can still paint and you are good at it.
You don't talk finish, Abi. I know they paint. Waka coming from my house, I beg.
Okocha, say as I sit down here, so I know they go nowhere.
Coming from my house.
I know they go.
If you did.
Okocha.
Kanu.
Okocha.
Kanu.
Okocha. Okocha.
Waiting me that now. Waiting me that. You want to see my nakedness? I'll be waiting. Waiting me that. What do they do for here?
What is What is wrong with you? No, tell me, what is wrong with you?
Now you something they wrong with. You dey hear me so? Now you something they wrong with. You better make you just go back to where they come from. Oh. I don't know what you just find come here. You be not live my life before. I just dey live my life peacefully. I don't know what thing carry you, the breeze will carry you come back to my life. I beg, make you quietly go. Make you quietly go. Because this way you abandon me, you know ask how I dey survive.
You know say you don't get sense, Abi.
Now you don't get sense.
You know say you don't get sense.
Now you don't get sense. Now you don't get sense. Come on from my room now. Make I not give you flying nothing now. I dey warn you. Just come on from my room now.
No, what will you do? No, tell me, what will you do to me? What do you think you can do to me? No, you think that your ego can feed you? Tell me. A grown man like you that is supposed to be feeding his mother. But no, it's the other way around. Can't you see that old woman is suffering? Can't you see?
It concern you. It concern you. It concern you. My friend, go out of my room. Come off from my room. Come off from my room. Come off from my room.
You know what? Do whatever you
go.
want.
I don't hear. Go.
Good.
Go. Rubbish. See, it is because you don't make money, you go just come from nowhere, they order me around. It is that because you don't make money, if you just talk, I go listen to you. I cannot talk. Ma see you for you again. Come tell me, say, do this one. Ma know who goes.
Mama.
Yes, dear.
I went home to talk to Okocha. Okay. But Okocha literally chased me out of the house. He asked me to leave. Mama, you know what? Okocha is a full-grown man, and I'm not going to force him to do something he doesn't want to do.
I know.
Okay, so it's up to him, whatever he decides to do. But I advise he starts painting because I think he's good with painting. So you have to talk to him.
Oh, Anna, I will talk to him, okay?
No
Okocha
problem,
can be
Mama.
very stubborn, but I will definitely talk to him.
That's fine, Mama. That's fine.
Oh, good. Anyway, so what do we do?
Mama, it's up to you. It's up to you. You can talk to him and maybe he can change his mind.
I will.
You know you're his mother, so just try your best and talk to him.
Thank you, my daughter. Thank you.
You're
You've done
welcome.
enough. God, you know, you're such an angel. May God bless you.
Amen, Mama.
And God will continue to uplift you.
And God will lift you up, so Mama.
Amen.
Amen. Mama,
Yes.
I would like to send you some money so that you can restock your shop.
You've done a lot for us already.
Mama, it's fine. Mama, see, you're running out of goods.
It's true.
Don't worry.
Are you sure?
I'm sure, Mama.
Thank you, my daughter.
Mama, please, your account.
01.
Hi, Debbie. Debbie, I'm fine. It's just that... Debbie, it's not that easy, honestly. You know I've always loved Okocha back then, and I still do love him. Now, nothing has changed. But you know, Okocha is so stubborn. Sometimes he makes me feel that all my effort for him to get hold of his life is in vain. Because no matter what I do, Okocha is always against it. Like, I don't even know what to do. Debbie, I just wish Okocha to have a good life, to be happy. That's all. Okay, that's fine. No problem. Talk to you later. Of course, I'll see you soon. Bye. Okay, bye.
Mama? You don't wake?
Waiting me that.
Oh, now check.
Check.
Check of 1 billion and 1 billion 122 million naira. Mama. Mama, make you rejoice because God don't do it for us. You see these games will line up like this. Once this game, from next week now, this one they play tomorrow. This one they play. From next week now, you are looking at the billionaire and the billionaire son and the billionaire mother. Because you see this house, we go sell them. Or if you even carry and give her who you want give her, we go Banana Island and buy better mansion for there. Buy better G-Wagon for there. Start business. See this Anna. We no need Anna. Make Anna they go in your own. We no need them. See money for here. I need this.
God, what did I do to deserve this?
Abio, waiting me said they ask God. Waiting I do to deserve this kind of love when give me.
So now, betting now you they do.
Which one be betting now they do? Now they tell you now.
Okay, I beg. Okay, no problem. But who give you money?
Mama,
because I know say you don't get money.
They insult me. I know they like so out of everything what I talk, now who give me money? Now you pick from everything what I talk.
Yes, now because I know say you don't get money. So where you get the money to do this kind of thing? Because you see this is plenty for your hand.
You know, I say plenty. You know, plenty na 3, but this 3 na powerful 3. Like this one na 500. This one na 700 million. See am now. See, anyway, Sha, na your money I use plan. Because your money na my money. I don't want to make you go find and I no go see am.
Which money they talk now?
Mama, calm down. If the money enter, I will give you times 1 500 million.
Okocha!
Hey, wait.
Now my money? Where they suffer? Now you carry go play.
Mama, your money na my money.
Okocha, you go keep it. You don't go keep it. Instead of me to give me money.
Mama, she knows your hand they pay.
Hello, Mama. Mama, just calm down, okay? Just calm down. Mama, it's okay. Your BP will rise. Calm down. Oh, really? Okay, Mama, you know what? I'm close from work right now. I'll come over and speak with him. Just calm down. But why will he do this to you, Mama? What is wrong with Okocha, for God's sake? Okay, Mama, I'll be there. I'll be there right away. I'll be there. Mama, I'm coming right now. I'm coming. Okay. Gosh.
Big fool. Girls. You don't get sense, so. Another girl, now you be. You don't get sense. You don't say you be working infection. They don't use infection while you finish. Yeah? See as your color, they purplish green. Purplish greenish. Now infection, I'm full here. You don't know? Because I don't record you. Because touch me again. No worry. I just these fools. This smart girls.
I don't see anything said when they here.
Wait,
where you come from?
Come, who they talk to?
Where you go? Where you go?
Okocha, stop! Stop!
Don't draw lines.
Stop! You people stop fighting! Stop! Okocha, stop!
Stop waiting.
Stop!
Stop waiting. Come face me. Come face me. If you get it,
Okocha, it's okay. Stop fighting.
You get lost, say my woman come.
What is
Let's
okay?
go in. It's okay. Stop. It's okay. Let's go inside.
Muggles.
Another foolish people stand yellow together.
It's okay.
Yellow papa. Tomato
If I give you back hand, you know yourself.
Abino. Who be this one?
Don't worry. Another day.
Okocha, why do you have to fight them?
No, they ask me that question. Which one be why do I have to fight them? No, they ask me that thing, I beg. Rubbish. What do they do for here?
I'm sorry, no vex.
Sure, I don't want you make they come here again. What do they do for here? I know embarrass you outside though. I just know why. I say when we enter inside, I go quietly ask you, what do they do for here? After I don't want you make they come here.
Okocha, your mother called me and she was crying. That's why I am here.
Crying about waiting happen.
Okocha, why did you steal her money to go and play bets?
No, they ask me this nonsense question. Which kind of question be that? Now your mama money. Eh?
But that's stealing, you know. Okocha, why are you always doing something to make this old woman cry? Why? Why don't you feel sorry for your poor mother? What's wrong with you, Okocha?
You see, now this thing where they vex me, I don't tell you, make you know they come for here. Because this thing now where they talk now, and normal thing where they say me and my mama they do. But since when you begin come here, she can't say I'm saying a serious thing, say I collect her money. And it's come out, it might shock you. You see this bet where I play. You know, say you don't make money, they feel say nobody go talk to you, this, that. Don't worry. Small time, the game go click now. I go join the billionaire gang. You go click. It go be like film. No worry. Meanwhile, come up from my house, I beg.
Okocha, do you know that sometimes when I talk to you, I feel like I'm still talking to the teenage Okocha? Do you know that?
Come up from my house. Come up from my house, I beg. Carry this your energy, just dey go.
You're asking me.
You don't come up before. You just begin come back again.
No, you're asking me to leave your house.
At least when you come out, I been done the get myself. Wait till you come back again to do. Eh? They don't send you again, come up from my house. Come out.
You never answer me. I want to know when will they go bank. Make we go cash out all the billions we don't make. God, foolish boy.
I know say now you still teach me, so no be everything person seeing the talk. Sometimes if you see some kind things, you could just do eye like say you know see am. The game don't cast now. Make I die follow the game. You don't cast. Because I don't say if you say I win that money, you go sit there here they celebrate with me.
See my tell you something.
Now I don't cast, now I don't dey laugh me.
You don't. Oh God. Pikin wey talk say im mama no go rest, him too no go rest. Foolish boy. How many times I don't tell you say make this thing make you stop am? Stop am, go dey look for better work. Now to dey bet, different bet, yeah, bet, they thief my money, they do anything when you like with that. Look, I don't tire for you. Anything you want to do with your life, do am. Okay? I don't tire. But just know say my I not do this thing to my parents. I not do am. Yeah, boy.
If you check where she fit do am, so that she do what safe.
It's obvious I get bad luck. Nothing anybody won't tell me. I get serious bad luck where they follow me. My bad luck where koi. Cause waiting me this. Waiting me say anything while they do, none of them they work. None of them they work at all. Games what I put in play, make money. It reach my own turn. And that day they flog Man U 9-1. It reached my own turn. And that day they give 5 players red card. This is why they watch match. It never happened before. And he tell me say I know get bad luck. Get bad luck now. Very serious one. I go carry look this woman. I go just tell am say, get what I use they make more say. No. Nothing anybody want tell me. Huh? Okay. Okay.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, who is this, please?
Now, Okocha.
Okocha, what is it? Are you okay? What about Mama? Is Mama okay? Is everything fine?
Everything they fine. And Mama they fine. I just I say make I tell you say I don't ready for that thing.
Okay, that's fine. So we'll talk later, okay?
Oh, okay. No wahala now. Ha, Mama. My steez don't drop like this, so. Ah.
Yes. Yeah.
Ah. They cause some people sharp. Some people they cause for this life.
Are you talking to me?
Huh?
Are you talking to me?
Oh, so you really know say they swear for you? You really know say they swear for you?
Look, Okocha, whatever they call you, I don't care. If you don't mind your business in this compound, I am going to teach your fuck up. I will mess you up.
Say Efiongo, they speak correct English. Let's say you tell this guy say you jammed. Now make it they speak. Are you going to mess me up?
Are you okay at all?
Make at the beginning they fear you.
See this man, oh.
Eh? Leave this man. This one a walking infection. They see like this, oh. He give him wife staphylococcus.
You're still on that girl. Wait.
Now madman.
You see, as they tell you,
He's a madman. Don't even bother. He's a madman.
He give him wife staphylococcus aureus.
Could you
travel to go cure him because the infection medicine.
Could you craze? Me get
God no. Staphylococcus aureus.
Are you okay?
Come up for you.
Hey, come.
God no.
Hi, my daughter.
Mama.
Thank you so much.
Mama, it's okay.
Hi.
You're welcome.
Honestly, I really appreciate everything that you have been doing for us.
Mama, it's nothing. It's nothing, honestly.
Okay. Come and sit down. Let's have lunch.
Mama, I could have loved to, but I have an appointment to catch.
Hi.
Yes, Mama.
So you will not... Hi.
Some other time, Mama.
Okay. Drive safely, okay?
I will, Mama.
But please, you have to eat. Your tummy is too flat.
Okay. Mama, I've had you. I've had you.
Okay.
Thank you, Mama.
Come,
bye.
my daughter. Okay, you're going. Okocha, please see her out. Locked down. Somebody's helping you.
As I said earlier, if you need anything or any other material you want for your drawing, you let me know so I can get them for you.
I don't hear you.
Okay. And then please, one more thing. I want you to give your best shot, okay? This painting might be your ticket to a better life. Once your painting gets to the auction, I guarantee you a better life. Trust me.
I want to know something now.
Okay.
What did make you come back? Because even my man they tell me say no be engaged, so you don't marry. What did make you come back? Where your husband dey? You know, no say you leave the husband house, come here.
Well, bumping into Mama was just a coincidence.
As you bump into Mama finish, what did make you no bump they go your husband house? What did make you stay there around?
Because I miss you. Listen, let me tell you, okay? I know what I did was wrong, but I had no choice. I had to do what I had to do. I wanted a better life for myself. I had a very big dream. I wanted to take my family out of poverty. My family. Everyone was suffering. I wanted the best for them. And I realized that you don't have any dream. Yes, you don't have any plans for your life. You were just roaming aimlessly. Then I told myself I had to go. Else, I won't be where I am today. Or I won't achieve all the things I've achieved. Being with you won't help me. I know I did bad, I know I did wrong, I'm sorry. But I had to do what I had to do because of my family. They needed me.
You don't talk and finish. Abi? You don't talk and finish. Are they useless? I know this one, I know.
It's not that. You see.
It's not with him.
Listen, even if I didn't bump into Mama the other day, I will still look for you. Because I came purposely to look for you.
No, well, now you don't see me. Make you do go back to your husband's house to be somebody's property.
What do you mean I'm someone's property? If I am, I won't be here sitting with you. Anyways, we got divorced 2 years after marriage. Because my heart, my soul, my body was not into the marriage. My heart was with someone else and is still with someone else.
Okocha, Okocha, my man. This is the way you just gather clothes to wash like this kind of early morning. How far now? What's happen? Why you need to answer me now? No, we are the talk to.
Why I go answer you? Come, no, they make noise for you. Why I go answer you? What you go make you think say if you come here, Okocha, I go answer you?
What thing I do you?
You don't know what you do me. You don't know the rubbish game where you give me where tell me make I put money plan. Plan they didn't chop my money. See now, see they quarrel with my mama. No be saying that my money, na my mama money. Now you make me carry and put for game where you tell me say na sure bet.
Wait till they talk,
They call me Okocha.
That game where they talk, so you know say me I chop for that game. You know how much I chop for that game?
No, they lie, come up for you.
I chop for that game, I tell you.
Which game where you chop?
Bro, see for this bet game, you don't tell what don't they give all this game. Oh. None of my game they cut.
So the one where you give me, wait him do that one. That one bend, no cut.
Wait. You plumb under, I be plumb over.
No, as from assault time, they mad. No be what you give me. No be I'm carry go game shop, go give them say play this game for me. They please sleep give me.
If you collect game like this, if you plumb under, you go still plumb over because you don't know the one way go enter.
You tell me say make a plumb under.
You not supposed to know by yourself.
No be only plumb under.
You ask question.
You really they mad though. No be you tell me make a plumb. You tell me anything like plumb under, plumb middle. Plan center. You tell me anything like that.
See, man, I tell you see this forecasting game where you see I don't do sales. You don't tell what I don't do. People they lose my game. Oh. See, you know how many people I don't make millionaire for this estate. See, but no worry, Sha, no worry. What thing can happen? Be say, you get the one I will give you.
Oh, God,
who better money? This one
go
play.
Give me anything. They go your house. I know they play again. Yeah, I know they play again.
See
they
trouble.
Go your house. Period.
Now some people they miss the opportunity for life. Oh.
Make I miss them. They go. I know they play.
This game what I won't give you now. This game go make you millionaire. In fact, you go even become billionaire.
Oga, carry your game. They go. Go make yourself a billionaire. Now you need that pass. So.
I go plan me now how much I want put for the game. I want make your life follow better too.
Go put them. I know they play.
So now your final answer be that.
Now my final no they disturb me. Say play game. You go carry game, give me. Tell me say na sure bet.
Oh, I don't know.
Tell me say na sure bet.
You see this game so why they beg you now me play with the fee say I come to the waste my time. I don't come waste my time oh. Now game be say you plan me go better for you. But since you know one time, I go carry the game now, I go enter street. You go see and say people wey need money full street. Then go plan. You go see you go hear am now. You get one guy, that guy with that security guy. Just watch am by tomorrow or next tomorrow. Go become billionaire. So you say no go play. They there now. They there. If they carry me they play for this thing. I don't dey forecast game. You don't tell.
Me I sit down first.
No, make I dey go now. You say no go want make I go my way.
Sit down first. I wan know something.
See opportunity wey person go bring like this come give away be say you go even still buy me small cold drink man take sit down dey with the reason all this thing. You know say na to make person billionaire for this life you know easy.
Which game be that? Which game?
Na this Argentina match dey all dey very high. You go put better money. If you put better money life don change. You know how much I wan put for this game? They make me dey talk. You know how much I wan put? Wait, ma show you.
Na make you be say na sure something o. You know say that one wey me I dey try recover because even my mama me and I know dey from one place.
Your mama no go know you again after this game. So wetin I will advise you just dey check motor or house wey you go buy when you win this game. The only thing we go do na put better money. I go send am to you for WhatsApp. See am. Argentina, see this match. Argentina go beat. See, you know, see this moon country. Say they go fit play match. Argentina go deal with them. No, see, no dey reason gamble like that to forget say normally Messi get injury. You know what I mean? You go still win the game. But yeah, make a send am for you for your WhatsApp. Put better money on.
No wahala. Just send am come for WhatsApp.
My percentage go run am o.
No wahala no way pass for that one.
I don send am aya.
So na this one na. But I no understand if these people are way I play am if e make sense.
No. Now you don't play game what I like. You see this one wey you hold here? This game na short game. See, you know wetin you hold here like this? Your Mercedes Benz, your duplex house for inside Lekki here, e dey inside here o.
This small game wey I play.
You dey call am small game? You know how much you put there? As e sound like this, you don become millionaire. See this one wey I hold like this? Okay, see this one now. This one na just small money be this, but just e go shock you. This one wey I hold now, I don even dey price house, dey price motor for everywhere I wan buy you.
But if money dey enter, why you dey beg me 2,000?
Okocha!
Mama, wetin you dey do for here?
What am I doing here? What are you doing here playing that stupid thing you call? Is that not bet you are playing there? Okocha, look, I did not do this to my mother. I did not.
Mama, good afternoon.
Shut up! Shut up, that's your dirty, smelly mouth that I can perceive from here.
Mama, this mouth I brushed very well this morning. You're calling this smelling mouth.
Shut up! Let me tell you. So you're the one they sent to destroy my son, right? Because he's my only son. Since you are now useless, totally useless, why must you drag my son into it? Why?
Mama, you're calling me useless. Oh, Mama, you're even calling me useless. See, let me tell you, Mama. You see this, me, you're saying you're calling useless. My name is Vasco da Gama. See, by the time you see me tomorrow, you see the motor I will be driving, you won't even know me again. I'm only trying to help your son to become useful. That's why he will become rich and make you proud. Buy you motor and buy you house like other children are doing for their mama. You're calling me nonsense. He's already useless, so I'm only trying to help him. Yes, man.
You dey crazy? What's he gonna bring that leg?
Okocha, you dey slap me.
Why you go call me useless? They mad.
Oh, you know useless before you are the try make up for try.
I go use punch do you surgery for nose now. Wetin be that one? No dey use guard o.
Go try her next time o.
You will meet me at home.
I'm going with you.
If you
Mama, streets don't lose guard me like this. I dey go with you, Mama.
See all this one they do, make you hold that ticket well because na money also. You go dey do something like this, you go lose money.
That innocent girl spent hard-earned money and bought you all the materials you need for painting. But you have refused to do anything. Honestly, what's all this?
Mama, painting work no be something you go wake up dey do. Nah, e dey come. Now if you come, you go just get inspiration do am. I know they get inspiration for now. I don't know wetin again I wan tell you. A creative person, if you come like this, you go drown. Nothing dey come my head.
Okocha, force it out of your head. I don't know what to do with you. If it's to bet now, all the energy, all the inspiration go dey fly for your head. Which kind of pikin be this now? So make the pikin money just waste? It's not possible. Look, Okocha, if you no fit do am, pack everything for that girl. Carry and go give am because I don't want you to waste her money. Which kind of nonsense be this? I'm not even tired for you. Every time the same thing. Person go dey complain. Go be like say I don't know wetin I dey do. Which kind of yeye pikin be this one now?
I want to draw. Just to sketch self, just tire me. No inspiration, nothing. Just nothing. Nothing. Even the draw hand. Now he go and be one draw. Now he also look like hand. Nothing just that's I don't dey force these things. These things they come. Just come and draw them. Maybe 14 they force. It's not working. It's not working. Regular one draw. It'd be better now just carry all these things, return them back to him. Just return them back to him.
Mama, what is happening? Like is it getting distracted or what?
Anna, at this point, I really don't know. My village people wants to destroy my only son.
God forbid, Mama. God forbid. No one will destroy your son, Mama.
But I don't know anymore. Ever since you bought those materials for him, he has not painted a thing.
Mama, but this is someone that loves to paint so much.
I don't know what's wrong.
Okay. Mama, you said he went out with his friend, right?
He went to that stupid betting place with that useless boy that doesn't want to let my only son be.
Mama, it's okay. It's okay. Let me go and bring him for you, okay?
Wait, please. Anna, my daughter.
Mama.
Please. I really want to apologize for all the stress we are causing you.
Mama, you're not stressing me. It's fine, okay? It's okay.
Anna.
Ma?
Why are you doing all this? Do you still like my son?
Yes, Mama, I do.
Really?
I like him so much.
Hey.
Mama, I know what I did was wrong, but Mama, I had to do what I had to do. Mama, please, I'm sorry.
Please, it is not your fault. I don't blame you at all. Huh? In fact, I think you're a very wise girl. You did the right thing. I'm just glad you came back for my son, okay? I overheard your conversation the other night.
Oh, Dad. Mama, do you mind me being back with your son?
Hey! Not at all. In fact, as long as the feeling is mutual between the two of you, I am 100% in support.
Oh, Mama.
Who will not want a beautiful fine girl like this for a daughter-in-law?
Mama, thank you. Mama. Thank you, Mama.
But this one, they odd no plenty now.
You know plenty, it's not correct score odd now. Back. You collect block.
That's
You know see this one now. Look this one. And this one now. This one be say this one now. Everything clear. This one now they go cash out now.
This one get like 21 odd now.
Now 21 odd now. That's how they be now. If you gather everything with this ticket, everything don't.
So if I put this on like £5.
Tell me, what is wrong with you?
What do you mean that?
Okocha, for God's sake, why are you so stubborn? Why are you unnecessarily stubborn? Oh, so you think now you get Chris for head, ba? Okocha, I go tell you say I get Chris for head. See me and you like this, I go teach you lesson.
Waiting you they fine. Now Christian, me and you know they teach anybody lesson. Why they waiting happen?
Okocha.
Why person don't feel all rest?
Okocha.
Shall I don't tell you make you know they find me they come. Shall I don't tell you that?
I go find you.
Shall I don't tell you that?
Okocha, I go find you as I like.
Shall I don't tell you that?
Okocha, for God's sake, you know they pity your mama. That poor woman, you know they pity her.
Mind your business.
You are my freaky business, Okocha. You are my freaky business. And trust me, I won't.
Blessing because say me and you they
Okocha, they come your house. Okocha, I go
come your
house.
Man, no see for there. Man, no see for there.
I go come your house. I go come your house. And they come your house, Okocha. And they come.
Where you get this kind of fine girl from? See this one where they see so. Now doctor's prescription. One in the morning, one in the afternoon, one in the night. I tell you, see, you know, so now we won't make money. This kind of girl now you need to keep her for your front of your motor. If people decide I'm going to like you, oh, but the girl fine.
What's your day? Make I just make.
I say just girl, like this girl.
Oh God, no, they tell me that thing. Don't do.
If you don't want to give me,
they don't do. This thing they make you really liver. Talk to me. They can't carry them to me anyhow. So just come carry all these things. Come off from here. Come, see your things. Just carry and jejely come off from my house. If it's now they give you liver to they talk to me anyhow way you like. Just carry them now. As they look you now, they move ahead. They come off from my house. I beg.
Okocha, when will this madness stop?
No, they tell me that. Don't talk to me that. No, who they do madness. No, they tell me that kind of thing. Which kind?
If you don't want me to talk to you like this, then behave like a man. Stop acting like a child.
Why you feel say you go just come on my life? No. I won't know what they give you liver. What make you feel say you go feel come out from my life anytime when you want, anytime when you feel like you go just come out, waka finish, go where you go finish, come back to command me. And if you say when you tell me stand, I go stand. Well, no, wetin dey give you that liver? You just go finish where. I don't want you. Carry this thing now, come out from my life. Carry and come out from this house now. I beg.
Okocha, for how long are you going to keep holding on to something that happened years ago? It's been long.
It's been long. Because I know you happen to Abi. You don't know waiting your absence, waiting it do to my life. You just wake up one morning, disappear. You don't tell me say, okay, I go come back, I won't go. You just come out like that. As you come out, you don't know say my life useless. You don't know. Say as you come out, nothing what they use my life do again. I could not do anything, not get anything what I feel do, even to eat that problem. For months, I don't find myself. Even the plenty what they do, I say I abandon everything because nothing for this life gonna matter to me. Nothing matter to me again. You just do everything where you can't come back. Call the fee say when you say Okocha, stand here, I go stand. You really the mentor. Please carry this thing come off from here. Okocha, I beg, just carry and leave my
Okocha, please. Okocha, fine, you're right, okay? I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for everything that happened. But Okocha, how long will I keep apologizing over and over again? Okocha, I did whatever I had to do because of my family and because of my dreams. Okay, fine, you had plans for us. But your mistake is you never told me about them. But what about me? I told you every single plan I had for us. I involve you in everything we are doing. But Okocha, you were not serious with your life. I had to leave because we were not on the same page. Okocha, please, I beg you in the name of God. I'm sorry. Please, just find it in your heart to forgive me. Please, I beg of you. I'm back now.
You're back to do waiting. I want to know what you come back to do. Waiting you come back to do. Me, when standing Okocha, no dey serious with my life when I deal with you. You know how many big men where my painting dey their house today? Even this hotel where they this junction. Now my painting I need their reception today. No. When you deal with me, at least I dey try get big plans for us. But because say I don't get billions, chief son just come from nowhere, carry you come out because you just see money. You don't believe in my dream. Please, just see. I don't package. Sorry. If I to pack and go put for that your car now, I go help you do am. Just carry am now, jejely come out from my life. I beg.
Okocha, I'm sorry. Please, I beg of you. Okocha, I'm not leaving.
Come off from this house.
I will not go.
I beg, just go.
Okocha, I'm not going anywhere.
Wait till you come back to do now.
To stay.
So stay waiting.
Okocha, I'm not
Where
leaving.
You did before, I don't tire you.
Okocha, I don't care. I'm not leaving this room. I'm not leaving this house. I'm here to stay. Either you like it or not. I'm sorry. Please.
Come up from my just.
Okay, it's as if when I tell you sorry, you know they hear what? Wait, I blame you before. You see this room, I'm not leaving. It's either you paint something or you paint me. But I'm not leaving till you paint something. What's wrong with you? I'm not leaving.
Welcome.
I see Anna car for outside.
Yes, so she dey here since so. She no gree go. She just dey inside her room. Why dey invade my privacy?
Which your privacy? Which your privacy? Come, you don't give her food, Shebi. Give her food.
Mama, you know they hear wetin I dey talk.
You know they hear my question. You don't give her food. I hope say she dey comfortable, she dey feel alright. She dey.
Allah will help her too. Like this.
I beg, make I check better picking. I'm not one.
Aww, is that for me? Oh, give me. Thank you. Help me hold this. Hold this.
You should start going home. It's not hold. You should start going home.
I'm not going anywhere.
Doing this will not help you. Start going home.
I'm not going anywhere. Mama's food. Oh, I miss Mama's food. It tastes so good. Do you want to eat? Go eat outside.
too. People are still in this house. I hope no ngongongo imela. Okocha beke. Ngongongo. They can hear imela song. Go.
Hey.
Hi, baby.
Baby, don't wake.
Yeah.
Why sleep carry me on?
I know you've been working.
Yes, so.
Babe, this is beautiful. Honestly, this is so beautiful. I knew it. Like, I knew you have so much potential in you. Gosh.
Like this?
Yes, it's beautiful.
I never even start now. I still a sketch.
No, babe, this is beautiful. Like, there's an amazing art. I love it.
Amazing art, like you don't know what I feel doing. This one I still try maybe passion for comeback. But as it be, I'm having the urge to start again. No matter. That's the schedule they do.
I know.
Nothing else starts now. Nothing else starts like this. Nothing else starts.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my love.
I hope they go again.
Baby, not even death can take me away from you. Never.
Maybe you see all your marks now, you know.
Stop, Joe. Why are you making that? Mama, the food is so delicious.
You like it?
I like it. Mama, I love it. Thank you.
Yeah, eat some more.
Okay, Mama. My love, so tell me, how many kids do you want?
Huh?
What is huh? Don't you want to have kids?
Of course, I don't want to get children. I want to get children. Same three what I tell you now, 2 boys and a girl.
That means the numbers hasn't changed. Baby, let's get married. Yes, let's get married.
You know, say me, I know get my, but now money now. Which money I will come use to take care of you? They do everything I'm supposed to.
Baby, just have faith, okay? I'm very sure by tomorrow someone will build one of your paintings. Trust me, your paintings are amazing. Okay?
At the time, what person does.
Baby, you don't have to worry. I believe in you and I've always believed in you. You will have your big break very soon and everything will be fine. Okay, I'm very sure of that.
I don't know why I don't get relaxed mind. I just feel like.
Baby, you don't have to be scared about money. Trust me, one of your paintings will bring you a lot of money. And
it won't be money at the talk. I believe say tomorrow, God will do it. As I don't start back now, God will do something. Now about you, tomorrow now, I feel say you go come out again. Person will see you again. You know.
Shh, my love. I'm not going anywhere. I'm here to stay with you forever. You don't have to worry, okay? You know I love you.
Did you sell it?
Mama, let's go inside.
Hey.
Let's go. Hi, baby. They paid 30K.
30K? That's 30,000 naira is nothing. Now, what are we going to do with that now? Hey, Anna. Huh.
Baby. Baby.
It's not your fault.
Baby, I didn't mean 30,000 nairas. I mean $30,000. Mama. Did it? I told you.
Dollars!
Yeah.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Hey!
Wait.
Millions.
Wait first. You say now, wait, you talk now.
Baby, $30,000.
$30K dolls?
Yes.
As in 30K American dolls?
Yes.
Millions.
Hey! God.
Thank you.
30K dolls.
Yes, my love.
Jesus.
Come, now dream me this.
You're dreaming, my love.
Millions.
Yes, mama.
Na naira kanu. Okay, $30,000.
Yes, Mama.
Hey!
Wait. That dream be this. Make person
I love you.
that
Not
dream.
dreaming. No, it's real.
Like they go really bring the 30K dolls.
It was my love.
You have done it too. Okay,
I told you.
What are you saying?
You see?
You, my
Then
love.
you should do that thing you don't want to hear. Thank you, Jesus. Mama.
Make her go drum more.
Now kick me here.
Make her pack.
Mom, where's it? That is it. Hey, okay, name it.
Mama. You see this God get us to do something. It get us God they do something.
So.
When you no expect them, it could just happen. Me, we be Okocha. Now me they go price house. They go tell me say house now 120 million. I go pay them. I no believe am for my life. Mama, what are you trying to let you know say? You see this house where you see so? Now your younger sister Auntie Nkechi, we dey live am for. Everything we dey in this house.
Hey, talk true.
As I dey talk to you like this, we don't buy duplex.
Hey! Jehovah Namo! Thank you, Jesus!
5-bedroom duplex. We still get swimming pool for back.
Hey! Chineke nna o!
Fully furnished. Everything inside.
Anna!
Mama.
It's okay. Am I dreaming?
No, Mama.
No.
I say, as they carry that money, give me that check. Give me. Say, this is for you. I carry and they come out, they look back. May they don't say, come on, a mistake. Mama, they even call me, they tell me, say, where are you bringing your painting? Want to buy your painting? Oyibo, they call me for food, Mama. Say, make I bring more painting. Say, they won't buy. Say, this one, no do them.
Hey! Anna,
Mama.
hey.
Last, I no go feel write my story without this woman wey dey beside me. Because at some point, even me self, they tell myself, say, Okocha, forget, you don't annoying, no. Because you go tell me do this one, I go vex, I no go do am. Do this one, I go say, no, I no go do am, no, come out. I know say me, normally, I dey vex, wetin she do me, but I can't overdo am. But even as I dey do am, she still dey with me. She still get patient. They make sure say, if you stop on faith. She even follow me, they stop and say, we die here.
Mama.
God bless you.
Amen.
Now, woman, we want the best for you. It means say, waiting will be, will definitely be. You get? I don't know how I want to thank you. I know say even as we dey drive, they come, even as I don't dey thank you, but you know they enough. The love self wey I go give you still know they enough. You already know say me. No, nothing. I love you from even when we started. Reach now, I still love you. Now the love where I get for you, now ain't one craze me when you leave me come out. I no feel live with another person. I no feel do this with another person. Now you will want the best for me. And at that best, I don't become like this. I love you.
I love you too, baby. I'm so happy for you. And trust me, my love, this is just the beginning. There is more to come.
You dey wine? I'm not saying that just the beginning now. I don't think that's just the beginning. Mama? Now start to make babies. Now time no day.
What am I here for? My hands are itching for my grandchildren.
Making babies.
Ngwa. Hey, Anna, God bless you.
Amen, Mama.
Hey, Okocha Nwam. Thank God for you. Thank you, Jesus. I'm so happy.
Yes, it's true. Everything you want, baby, I do for you. Oh my, everything you want, baby, I do. Gotta let you know I made a reservation for two. Oh, baby. wanna spend my whole life with you. Yes, it's true. Everything you want, baby, I do. Oh my, for you. Can never live without you.